My name is Mike Chapman of Chapman Auto Stores, and today we are proud to announce a service that lets you see what your technician sees.
Hi, this is Pat at Chapman Ford of Lancaster. We have your vehicle in today for a tire rotation and oil change. Let's show you some of the stuff we found.
You will receive a video via text message of anything the technicians may find. This transparency will bring great value to our customers and a better overall understanding of the vehicle's condition.
Just want to let you know how your fluids are doing. Coolant's looking good, your brake fluid's looking real nice. Though I do have one recommendation, your air filter is getting pretty dirty. I'd recommend replacing that for fuel economy. Once again, I'd like to thank you for choosing Chapman Auto Group for all of your automotive needs.
We're happy to announce that we are offering eye service at all locations, and we look forward to seeing you soon.